Hi there, thanks for tuning in again. Just thought I'd post up a quick video just about one of the new 2018 collections by SCABAL. This is the Londoner Bunch. It's a Super 140s fabric, and it's of a 250 gram weight. Again, yeah, this one's obviously classed as more of a lightweight, but the construction is of that you could wear it daily. It's more of a tighter weave the way it's woven. So yeah, here we go. So I will just have a flick through shortly. I will just read the introduction by SCABAL, just so you know their thinking behind it. So, the London collection, Super 140s, crafted with the utmost care at SCABAL's Heritage Mill. Londoner is a debonair and metropolitan collection of 83 suitings inspired by Britain's stylish capital. Woven in the finest Super 140s wool, this cloth possesses an exquisite handle and drape, with a light weight of 250 grams that accommodates the increasingly fast pace of urban living. The collection is composed of a multitude of classic designs updated to meet the demands of modern tailoring, with a host of cloths ideal for both a bold business look or playful leisure time attire. When it comes to designs, detailed window pane checks and contrasting feature stripes can be found in bases of blue, grey and brown, while shadow stripes, micro designs, plain and melanges can be taken in a variety of dark and pastel shades. The collection is one of the man about town who has one eye on the past with another squarely on the future, and those cloths portray his personality as well as his ambition. So let's have a flick through. It's got some beautiful designs in, and as they're saying, they are modern, contemporary look, but they do almost have that classic English tailoring look to them. There's a bit of a nod back to the 60s. I could see some of these ones being in my dad's wardrobe from way back. But in a nice way. They would make into a nice, lovely, slim fit suit. Some lovely greys in their mixture, almost like with a shadow stripe to them. It is hard to appreciate them on camera. You do really need to feel SCABAL fabrics to appreciate what goes into them. I'm not disrespecting other mills at all, but SCABAL do tend to have that extra edge on the finishing of the fabrics. But I do understand, obviously, they do come at a cost, and that they are not cheap fabrics at all. But if you have something that's that extra special, maybe for your wedding, or you just want to treat yourself to something extremely nice, then definitely check out the SCABAL range of fabrics. This one is stocked backed for the next year or so. SCABAL have recently done a stock system where you can check online for anything that's low in stock. Some beautiful designs. That's lovely. That is stunning. As you can tell, a lot of the ones I wear, I do personally tend to like the brighter blues. But some of these dark ones, when you cut them right, style them right, they can look absolutely stunning. There we have it. Just have a flick backwards there. You get nice blacks, navies in the back. Through, there's a couple of browns in there as well. Of greys going through to the lighter greys there. Yeah. So there you go, the Londoner collection from SCABAL. So if you've got any questions about SCABAL fabrics, or if you just wanted some info on tailoring, just drop me an email. It's michael@jamespersontailor.co.uk. Alternatively, you can check out our website, which is www.tailorsinmanchester.co.uk. So thank you very much for tuning in, guys. Obviously the channel is slowly growing now, and as and when I find interesting new bunches that have come out, I will definitely post up a video of them. If you've got any specific ranges of SCABAL say fabric that you would like me to post a video up, we do tend to stock the full SCABAL collection. There's a couple of the rarer ones, the very high end ones that say only they might only have in London, but you know, I can always ask them. I can always ask to get it in if you wanted to do a specific video of a certain bunch. I know some of the diamond chip ones and the Vicuna ones, and they do the 22 karat gold and the treasure box collections. Obviously we don't stock all of those here, but you know, I could always ask Robert, the sales director, if we could get them in for you. So yeah, so thanks for watching again, and thanks for supporting the channel, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and obviously yeah, share it with friends. So thank you, take care, bye bye.